Why, hello there, lovelies. It's me again, Tended Threats, here with my friend.
So lovely. What's up, YouTube? This is Takadaroba back again, and welcome back to episode 4 of Castle Crashers.
That was beautiful.
Thank you. I'm throwing us straight into the tall grass field.
Let's go to war. Cheers!
Let's have me do something this time.
Is this the pandas?
I'm gonna
so
assume
cute.
so, but
Ew.
I'm not 100% sure. Look at that dead fish.
I cannot wait to edit that, because I'm going to magnify that sound.
Magnify. Like shaking screen, super magnified, really loud, like that kind of meme thing. You got a new combo. Oh, I forgot I got that earlier.
I don't know what it
yeah.
does. Well, let me try it on this.
Whoa!
Unless you kill it. I hate you.
I used the combo and it was destruction. Hey, there's a horn sign here. Well, whenever we get a horn, we gotta come back here.
You get more.
Honk, honk, mother. I'm just kidding, I'm not Gansy, I'm sorry.
Wait.
Yeah, we get a horn really later. Keep... I don't remember, to be honest.
I don't want to get horny.
Oh.
Ow.
I'm sorry, I think he meant to say I don't want to get horny.
Ah! No! That one. Okay, you all die.
That's it. That's the end of your life. Right now, now. Projectile farting.
Projectile fireball.
Oh.
Fireballs are projectiles.
Oh, hey, look, that
It's
can be
Ramsey. What are you
throwing some club music to that guy. Oh, X.
Yeah! Ow!
Oh, you got rammed. Dude, how much ram do you have in there?
What is this guy's power? Ow!
I don't know.
Oh.
Hurricane or tornado?
Oh, hey! This guy is coming for me. What did I do to you? Other than
That was
steal
a
your pet
really
last
weird-
time.
Where am I? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm being destroyed in the corner over here. Today is not my day for Castle Crashers. I don't know
like
what's
it when
wrong.
you're over there, because then...
Well, there's two over here with me and I'm trying to get away from them. That's my big problem. Oh, I need that. Okay. Oh, I got him. I got him out of the tornado. Remember the one with the big banner sign? The one with the big banner sign is the one... the boss. Yeah, you're... I made his tornado green. Ow, get up.
I used a potion.
You're the first one to use it. Ow, where am I? Wow.
Oh, wow. This is not easy, boss.
Yeah, I know. I hate this boss. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He looks
This
so
is me,
much
I'm
like
telling
all
you,
the other
he's
dudes.
coming for me.
He looks so much like all the other enemies. It's uncanny and not fair.
Trying to use my new move, but it's not letting me. Would you get out of here?
Yo, be poisoned.
No, that's not what I wanted.
Yeah. Button mashing. Yes. What are the controls? Never mind, I don't care.
I'm in that.
Ah! Oh, sorry. I had a wee bit of
Why?
yeah, I got him.
So, what?
Wait, there's a weapon. Okay, well, I picked it up and it didn't give it to me. That's okay. Hey! Stop madness. Oh, we're both very close to death, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a potion. Because
I just accidentally used one.
if one of us dies and then, like, the other, I don't know. Something about if one of us dies and the other one is trying to revive them and they are counting on the insta-heal from the potion, it doesn't work. So remember that for future.
Okay, I'll kill this boss.
And then he's just like,
They
nope.
get behind you. That's what's so annoying is how they get behind you and then they get you with that magic attack.
Exactly. I hit him with my poison again. The tornado's green.
Okay, let him tornado.
Well, I'm just gonna fly that guy over there. He's about to tornado at me, so.
I missed. Ow. I got shot with a fish. I did it!
Yeah. You got your new pet. Coolio.
Yay. I want you because that one's actually useful.
Goodbye, seahorse. You can just stay in this harsh rain forever. What? Freak! Holy
You got wrecked!
Run! Let's get level 1 to run, definitely. Stay over there. I like you better over there. Get him. Yeah. Okay, I'm low on health. Dang it.
Sorry.
I knew a... Fuck.
Oh, wow! That's what you said.
No, I said anyway.
No, I thought you said Did
Look
you
at
see his face? His face when you crossed
get
over,
behind.
he's like, oh!
You get behind me, it's just like...
Still the one with the flag.
He's summoning one. Yep, there he goes. Ow. Yeah. Ain't no boss. No managers we have to deal with. What if they were called managers instead of bosses? Man, this is a really hard game. I can't defeat that manager. What?
They have nothing to manage.
Maybe all of their little panda people. The panda priest posse.
No, those are called...
Scaling. Hey,
No,
give that...
give it to me!
It's
Give it
my
to me!
owl. You can go get your own owl. and
I
then-
can't. You won't let me have it.
What the heck? No, you can have him once we fight the bat.
I just like him because he's cute. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, he doesn't even bring you food very often. Hey, there's one of those things from the river.
Yeah, I know. He shot me in the face.
Wait, let me check
Oh, you know what's coming up.
it. Yeah, my new pet.
Did we need anything?
Oh my. We're at 8 minutes, so we're good.
Ew, I forgot about these things.
I kinda did too. You can't like poison them, so.
Oh, right, it's like fire.
Jello. Don't you have to like cook Jello or something? And let it.
What you have to do is, like, if you buy the powder, you have to get hot water and then you dump it in there, and then you like put it in the fridge.
No, don't be a baby. You put water in your mouth and then just pour all the powder in and then swallow it all.
Bro,
That's how a master
how
cooks
sour
stuff.
that's gonna.
No, I do not know how sour.
Shut up. It's stuck in my face like this for bad. Speaking of math, remember your Jeff math?
Jeff, what? My Jeff mask? Yeah, I have it. What? Oh, did you ask if you could use it?
No, I just.
Oh. Just reminding me.
I miss it. I haven't seen it in a while.
Oh, yeah, come over, come see it. I'm very low on health.
You're gonna die, and I'm gonna get that bad.
Swarm. This is nasty. Oh, it just got nastier. Send help.
Ew, I forgot.
I forgot it. Ooh.
You suck. You suck.
You suck
Nothing.
big old sneezy anuses.
You did nothing.
Level up.
Ah! I leveled up. No, never mind.
I am level 10. Oh god, oh boy, oh bad. Oh bad, oh bad. Those will get on your head and they will...
I know what that's.
Yeah, they'll get on your head and then they'll trap you while he poops on you, so... Did I use a potion? No? How did I get... Oh, I leveled up. That's how I got up to full health. I was so confused.
I didn't realize. I keep getting confused. Ow!
Oh, did that hit a 68 on me?
That did a whole lot of damage on me.
Okay, bats no, bats no, bats no. Eee, poop, 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 poop. Yeah. No!
Ow! Okay, well, that happened.
I need to commission a picture of, like, yours and my, you know, anime character persona people just dressed up as the green and orange Castle Crashers. Or you could leave some fan art on our Twitter pages at twitter.com/Takadaroba.
Slash or at. Get off!
No. Yeah, go ahead, draw some fan art. I will post it on probably the next 5 videos because you would have been my first fan art, so.
You're gonna post the same one on 5 videos?
How much appreciation I got, yo. Fan art is a exponential thing. Oh, there it goes. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
No! No! No!
I didn't know that reaction was coming.
I wanted it so bad.
Here, you can like hold on to him so that you can have him later. And then I want him back. I'm gonna hold you back. I did something nice for you. Yay. Thank. That was horrific. Ooh, money. Money.
Oh, we missed one.
No. Wow, my kills though. Yo.
How do I get half of your kills?
How do you
have the same XP?
Yeah, how do you get the same XP with half the kills? So we're at like 14 minutes. You wanna Oh boy. Ooh, new magic. Jump and then RTY. Yeah. Where are you gonna put it? You're like, yet no. Yet no. What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you level up stuff? What are you gonna do? I can't change it because you're not doing anything.
I'm thinking, give me a sec.
Do defense to even out your strength. And then hit A. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Oh, yeah. Sure. Wait. What? Okay, good. Thank the Lord. Yeah, let's end here.
Hello, creepy. Oh, it's a crying woman.
Oh, a crying woman. You aren't beefy enough to break down this door. Don't
underestimate the power of fire! I think I just accidentally used a potion.
Oh my god. I think I just accidentally used a potion. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed.
Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
Have a fantastic day. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow our social media, and have a fantastic day. Bye everyone.